El presidente Andrés Manuel López Obrador estará en la Suprema Corte de Justicia declarando su parte por su invasión a la embajada mexicana en Ecuador, allá en Quito. El presidente Andrés Manuel López Obrador puso una demanda donde se debería...
The fuck?
Forensic science, you know, stuff like fingerprinting,
Ударить. Не! Ударив.
Oh my god. What are you doing? Fucking, oh my god, dude.
Ourselves now, it's not going to be successful. Of course, there's been a program across the country, just as there was with Black Lives Matter. Some people now don't want to
at the far end of the room, and for an hour or so, I would try not to think of it. Because back at the house, the memories were everywhere.
Here's a cop chasing a guy on a scooter.
Outside lane, and then we'll turn left when we get to... Oh, you wanker! You freaking idiot! Has he damaged you? Yeah. You better bloody stop. Oh, he's going off. Red 10. Oh, Billy.
January 6th is one of the greatest moments in U.S. history, and very exciting and marvelous, fabulous. And that...
911 assist is set off.
Therefore, a 911 call will not be made by sync.
Oh my
Yeah.
God, oh my God, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Oh my God, are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, sir, I'm so fucking sorry. Oh my God, oh my God, I'm such a fucking idiot. Fuck. I hit him, I'm so sorry.
Sharon, I'm in an accident.
He said
Call
he's okay, I'm so
911.
sorry. Fuck, I'm such a fucking idiot.
Shit.
Fucking hell!
Jesus fucking Christ.
Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit, we would have died there.
First time I drunk act, I remember.
Are you kidding? What's wrong with you?
I love how they.
There's no one
Wait.
behind me. There's no
Wait,
one
what
behind
was
me.
Was she yelling at you in her mirror?
Yeah, and gesturing and everything else.
So I pulled it.
Fucker!
Automotive needs, FM only at Jacksonville, Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, I-295 and Bay.
The fuck are you doing?